Now we open the motherboard from the case. First of all, we have to check put in the diode mode and check the beep is okay. So we put in positive and negative. We check is 330. It is normal value, and it should be like 300 and 350 around about. So 325 is normal value. Now we check the cross, positive and negative. It should be there 1000, around about 1000 value, but there C is 500, like this. So there is some shortage inside the board, so we are searching. First of all, we check physically, and always, you know, the problem in the iPhone 6 is there a capacitor is always short. Is there? We can show you on the microscope. Here's, we have ZXW. Okay. iPhone in iPhone 6. There's a capacitor short. This is a VCC main line is shorted, so we have to check where is the problem. You can see this is capacitor from is nearby Wi-Fi IC is C5202. You can see here the shortage, maybe in the power IC, or maybe USB IC, or maybe is there network IC, even maybe in there also is in network area. We're not sure, but we have to find out this problem. First of all, we check physically this mobile, maybe any water damage or something else. Okay, put in the camera. Do you see this, guys? I find the short is there, like two capacitor is grounded. This short, you can see from this one, and also this capacitor is like burning or like damage. So what we do, we have to remove these capacitors, then we check is short is gone or not. To put my air gun in 380, put some glue on these capacitors. We remove 3 capacitors. Be careful, guys, don't hit. Be carefully hitting this in this area, because you have the memory card, so maybe in case you can damage this memory card also. You can see, guys, see this capacitor is burned already. We will not put off. Try. We remove all 3 capacitors. Waiting for cool down. It's too much heat. We can see, guys, these shortage cause these capacitors as well. That capacitor 3218 and 3221. So we remove these 3 capacitors. Now we'll check is shortage gone or not. ZXW, guys, is best tool to find a short, to find something. Do you see, guys? Short is no more. Put the black pin on ground side and the red, and we can check this is ground and the other one is, see the value 1060. So we can see our also is Wi-Fi IC. Near the Wi-Fi IC the capacitor is 5202. we can see that value is 1000 and the other thing is, and the other side is shortage. So we check right now we check in the terminal. We check in terminal battery. The value is 1060 and the other side the cross is 300 something. So this is a normal value. Now we put on the case and check it's working or not. We plug all cables. And turn the mobile. So we have to plug the cable. See guys, this is working right now. This mobile is working. Okay, why is it working right now? Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe our channel.